Alright, so since we know how to create a block, we will now create a dynamic block. So we'll see how we can convert this toilet. So it's basically a seat and the flush tank. We have different as an object. They are both different. Like if I select one, then select them individually like that. So what I want to do is I want to create a dynamic block for this one. So for that, let's go to insert. Let's go for a block, and under the block ribbon let's go for create, and the block definition will pop up. I want to go for a name, so let's go for toilet, just like that. For the pick point, I'll select this point. For the select objects, I'll select everything, so all of this, and then press enter. So you can see the preview right over here. We have the preview of the toilet, and in the settings of the block you need to go for inches. Now in the behavior, make sure it's scale uniformly and allow exploding, right? Now the main thing over here is make sure you open in block editor. So once you press it and the tick is done and then press OK, AutoCAD will open a block editor window. It looks similar to your drawing model window, but there are some new tools. So over here we have the parameters, actions, and parameter sets, and different dynamic block options. So as you can see, we have the toilet seat right over here, right? So let's say we want to create a dynamic block such that I want to insert a flip option so that we can flip this seat either in this direction or in the upper direction. Right, so let's quickly create that. So the first thing that we will do is we'll go for the parameters base point and select the base point over here. So that defines that this is our base point for the block. And the next thing that we can do is go for flip, and for the flip I'll specify the midpoint of this edge and drag it like this, and then click somewhere over here to add the flip state one. Now you'll see an exclamation mark on the flip state because we haven't defined the flip action. So let's come to action and select flip, and now it asks you to select the select parameter. So I'll select flip state 1, and when it asks you to select object, I'll select my toilet seat. So I'll select this one. Basically you have to select everything, so make sure your flip state 1 is inside your selection, and then press enter, and then your exclamation mark will go. Now if I come over here, let's say we want to test this block, so we have an option to test the block over here on the ribbon. So let's go for it, and right now if I select, see this is our base point and this is the flip option. So if I click on that, I can flip my toilet seat. So that was the test, and I'm very satisfied with the test. So I'll close the test block, and I will close the block editor, and it will say changes you have made have not been saved. So save the changes, and right now if I select my toilet seat, I can pretty much flip it around the way you like, right? So that's how you can add a dynamic block in AutoCAD. I hope you guys like it, and peace out.